Okay guys, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm in the basketball area. So, because I'm not very good at basketball, so my dad and my brother, Lucky, will make the video. And if you cannot see them, I'm holding the camera right now. So I have to face my brother. Wait. Okay, can you see them? Can you see them? Oh yeah, I think you can see them. Ta-da! They're opening their mask now. They have that backpack to prepare. Okay, they're warming up. Wow, the gates are very old. We only have one basketball. So let's go have a challenge. Who can shoot the most basketball? Boys, who can shoot the most basketball wins. Count how many basketball and tell me. I'll be the judge because I'm holding the camera. No one is here. Only 3 of us. Oh, there's tons of people here, but not really. Where's my brother? Oh, there you are. Okay, are you counting them? Lucky, how many did you shoot? How many did you shoot? Wow, nice shoot. Oh, the ball is bouncing. Look, it's bouncing very cool. Actually, this court is our house because we live in an apartment. There's playground and the lobby and basketball area where we are. So there, you can also play soccer. You see, there is the court for soccer too. Oh my goodness. How you doing? Oh, so close. I cannot even put one shot, guys. It's very impossible. The hoop is a bit broken, but oh, not that. That score is okay. Okay, let's go have another challenge. They don't complete the... Oh, one. Okay, next is the bouncing ball challenge. So you see my hand, guys? So you have to bounce it like this. And then you have to catch it. If you cannot see it, I'll do it again. I'll replay. Catch it. You have to bounce and then catch. Bounce, catch it. Okay, it's on now. Youngest first. My brother will go first. Lucky, you're on. Bounce it as much as you can. Okay, I'm counting. Oh, you only do 13. Okay, now it's my dad's turn. Can you beat 13? Oh. Wow, keep bouncing. Don't shoot to the hoop for now. Just bounce. Oh, my dads have 21. I guess the champion is... Now, number 2 is my brother. Number 1 is my dad. The basketball area, there's a lot of leaves behind them. Oh, you see the ball? Good job. So, what do you want to do next? Do you have any tricks?
Oh,
Do you want any tricks? Do you have any tricks? What trick? Okay, my dad is on first. What trick can you do? After that is my brother. Let's go see who will get the most. Yeah, the most trick, the best trick wins. So today we are doing a challenge video about basketball. Since I haven't told you earlier. Okay, let's go get a bit far so you can see my dad's whole body. Okay. Can you see them? Okay, now you can see them both. My brother and my dad. You can see the basketball area. Oh, almost. So close. Oh! Okay. Oh, okay.
My daddy is not good.
Yeah. He's not really good. Wow, it bounced. Oh. Again. Okay, guys. Now we are gonna have a pass challenge. You have to pass each other and you have to name a rabbit. Okay? Oh no! You have to name an animal. And then if you want to name them, only 10 seconds to name them. If you don't name them fast, you have to pass them. And then the other guy that you just passed, he passed it to you again. And then if you don't name them animal, you lose. Ready? You have to say animals. Any kind of animal. Okay. What is your next one? Oh. Wow. What trick do you have? What? Okay, are we ending this video? Hello? Are we ending this video?
Okay.
Yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe below. Okay, wait, I think you can now. Yeah, much better. Can you see me? Hi. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe below. You have to click to our channel and click the subscribe button. And then my brother say bye. Where are you? What do you say? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.